side. The other side.
So we have use this, remove the back. To charge it. So let's try and see if we can do it. Where are the wires?
They're right here.
Oh. They don't, then we'll remove the back. Don't put it on the back. Don't put it. Hop, let me stretch. I want to see where it stops.
Don't take it for long.
Let's remove the battery.
I'm gonna remove the battery. It doesn't reach, eh?
Yeah, it doesn't really.
Negative to negative. If you don't, then it will spark. Okay, first stretch to see if it's great. So you have to look for the positive side there and the negative side. Then just stretch and see if it can reach. Yeah, it can reach. Okay, so where is the positive here? Okay. So positive. There. Angel. So angel, we are going to. Wait. So grain, yours is negative. We are going to use negative. But you give angel that one. You give me that one. So grain yours is negative, okay? Angel stand there. Yeah, yours is negative. So we'll start with yours, with grain. Angel, wait. So grain, put on negative. Make sure the metal is touching, okay? Yeah. Make sure the metal is touching. Angel, we are now putting yours. Okay, you hook it. Make sure the metal is touching.
Here?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. See those sparks?
Where is that thing? Should we get out the lock? That thing? Or you think it's gonna alarm every time we try that?
Okay. Let's just and hold it there. Then for you, don't move yours. Make sure yours stays.
The guy Glenn is happy. He's like, I'm working. Don't play, guys. Don't play. See, I just pressed the unlock button right away. Please don't shake too much. So when you shake, it's gonna stop working.
make sure it's touching. Keep it touching.
So that means he might need to drive it around so that it can work properly. So tell me about it. How was the experience of boosting that car to start? What exactly did you do?
We connected the wires from negative to negative and positive to positive on each of the cars.
Yeah, and so that way, so that like the car could recharge the battery from the Premio to the Vanguard. And yeah, there was a lot of sparks happening sometimes, but it worked.
Where was it? Where were you connecting it?
He was the positive side, and then he was the negative side
Of the what?
of the wires.
And what is
of
that?
the battery.
The battery. And what did you do?
I did the thing with
Daddy told us that the positive side is really the one that's charging the battery, but the negative side is just the one that's like continuing the circuit. That's like full and like it actually goes through.
Good job. Good job, guys. Good job. Good job. Good job. Nice job. So now the Vanguard can start. Job well done.
Angel help. No, hold
The other side.
But push it up a bit. Wait. Always watch out for the food. You can bring it down.
But
don't
gently.
hit it. You hit hard, it will bite the thing like you can now get the thing like out. So you can take it. You can't kill it. Can't kill it.
Probably didn't press it properly.
That means
And they're gonna help.
if it doesn't sleep, then you